a bucket of keys since I don't know what starts that thing. And I guess we're going to start a 94 Blazer 4.3 Vortec and see what happens. Also hasn't been running for 5 or 6 months. Then next the Talon. Almost there. Am I dumb or what? Bring a whole pail of keys as I didn't know what started this thing. And it turns out the stupid thing's actually labeled. Oh boy. Now I just gotta put the battery in. Still -5 out. Interstate usually can save the day. This thing we got late in the year, so it hasn't been killed yet. And she's definitely a Vortec. Means it's got a better cam, better intake system. Got a lot more power than those old 4.3s. Sweet. Batteries in. We got functioning bulbage. Let's see what's going to happen. Look at that cold New Yorker. All leather. Loaded. We got no dash action. It's digital or something. It doesn't work. Oh well. Oh, that was easy. Cool. What a machine. It's a Chevy. No smoke either. The reason I usually use that in the wintertime to start cars is when I bring the batteries up, it's got a bigger ledge there so the batteries don't fall off. Cool. Thing is, if I start trying to drive it, it'll probably go a little ways before it gets stuck. Well, I don't like stuck vehicles on my snowmobile trails and blocking me from my winter fun, so it's better just to leave them put. Uh-oh. That's good enough.